Upbeat, tech-inspired intro music fades in and out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we explore the future of care for every member of our family, including the furry ones. Today, we're diving deep into something truly revolutionary, building a 24/7 AI health sentinel for your pet. Imagine knowing your dog or cat is feeling unwell before they even show obvious signs of sickness. That's not science fiction anymore. It's the power of AI, and I'm going to show you how to harness it. But it doesn't stop there. We can track their body temperature, which should hover around 101 to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. We also monitor their activity levels. How many hours are they active versus resting or sleeping? We can even analyze their gait. Is their walk smooth and balanced, or is there a new limp or stiffness? For our feline friends, litter box patterns are a goldmine of information. How often are they going? How long do they spend in there? And for both cats and dogs, vocalization is key. We can train a custom AI model to do it for us. The first step is data collection. You'll need to take hundreds or even thousands of pictures of your pet's coat. Capture images of healthy skin and also any abnormalities you find, like rashes, hot spots, bald patches, or unusual lumps. It's crucial to get a variety of angles and lighting conditions. Once you have your image library, you'll need to label it. Sort your photos into folders: healthy_skin, rash, hotspot, and so on. Let's say you're collecting activity data from a smart collar. We can use Python and a few powerful libraries to find unusual changes. A great algorithm for this is the isolation forest. It's excellent at spotting outliers in a dataset. For example, if your dog is usually active for 3 hours a day, but suddenly that drops to 30 minutes, the isolation forest algorithm will flag this as a significant anomaly. Here's a quick look at how the code might work. You'd import your data into a pandas data frame. The data would have timestamps and activity values.